Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UGAZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where did this analysis yesterday, which was Wednesday. Tomorrow is Friday, but that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. First thing to note is that so far so good from the bigger picture. What do I mean by that? Well, I've talked about in past videos that 975 has been that very ideal level of support that you want to see hold. And after today's price movement, price didn't even come close to testing that area. So good to see that that overall level is still holding strong. Why is this area so important? Well, if the price were to come down to that level and then just continue on down, at that point, from a very literal perspective, you'd have the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of a few days ago. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But yeah, I mean, if the price can stay above that level, then that would give the chart an overall higher base, and that's how those long-term uptrends are constructed. So, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, and work its way back upwards, as far as, higher bases, you'd have that base right there. You'd have this base down there. If you envision those as stair steps, well, there you go. You have stair steps still progressing in the upwards direction. So, point being, at 975, that key level of support, ideally in the very near term, if the price can stay above that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, that would be a great sign of power. But don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below that purple line, that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, I mean, if the price could stay above that area, that'd be a great sign of power. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, what I'm going to do is adjust this level up now that we have more data, and that is valued at 1065. So the key thing there is, what direction did I have to adjust the resistance? Whenever levels of resistance are being adjusted higher, assuming you're bullish, that is definitely a good sign. So, like I said, adjustment of resistance higher to 1065, so watch that level going forward. But all in all, yeah, nice movement, and we'll see how this one closes out the week tomorrow on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.